Hey guys, so some of you may know that I absolutely love the XG Cargo brand, which they are all about optimizing space so that way you can make more room for adventure. I have already had the Gamma bags and the Sportsman inside my Jeep for quite some time, and I have loved them ever since day one of installing. So today I wanted to share with you the upgraded model of the Sportsman. So the first feature that has been updated is the material and the buckles. The new material is definitely a bit thicker, it's going to be stronger and more durable, so it's going to last a lot longer. So the second upgraded feature are the bar straps. Previously, there was only these two Velcro straps that would hold it onto the sports bar at the top, but now we have this nice thick padding that's going to make it a bit more durable and sturdy, so that way it won't move at all. And for those of you who have pets that like to come on your off-roading excursions or just go on a little joyride with you, the pet net has been updated as well. It's a bit thicker of a material, so it's gonna last longer, and it's gonna help keep your pets on either side so that way they're not jumping back and forth. The updated model still has some great features, just like the last one. It still has 3 rows of mollies on both sides. It has the same great 3 gigantic pockets that are on the front, and there is a nice zippered pocket on the bottom, so you can just store some extra tools or other little knickknacks inside as well. And the same 2 pockets are here. They do expand, and there is a nice little drawstring so you can loosen it or tighten it depending on the size of the item that you put inside. And on the back of the Sportsman, we still have this nice little pocket here. And on the sides, we have the 2 straps where the hooks just pop right onto the front of your Jeep. Call it taut, and it's not going to go back and forth. And on the bottom, we have the 3 straps that latch right onto the 3 hooks on your floor. So that way your Sportsman is going to stay nice and in place, and it's not going to move around. It still has the nice Velcro that runs along the bottom side, so if you're running the floor liner, it will be able to attach and keep everything in one nice piece, so that way the floor liner doesn't keep lifting up and moving forward. It stays right where you need it to. So I hope you guys enjoyed the little update on the XG Cargo Sportsman, and be sure to check out xgcargo.com to make more room for adventure.